Most Americans were never taught how money actually works. Yet somehow, we're expected to figure it out while paying rent, student loans, and credit cards. In this video, I'll show you 7 money skills every American adult must learn, not theory. Real life skills that decide whether you stress about money or control it. Budgeting isn't about cutting joy. It's about telling your money where to go before it disappears. A simple rule like the 50-30-20 method already puts you ahead of most adults. Making more money doesn't fix money problems. Spending more creates them. Wealth is the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Credit cards are either powerful tools or financial traps. If you don't control credit, it will control you. Emergencies aren't rare. Being unprepared is. An emergency fund turns disasters into inconveniences. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need time. Thanks to compound interest, starting early matters more than. The fastest way to stay broke? Increase your lifestyle every time your income increases. Keep your lifestyle steady. Let your savings grow. Money rewards those who keep learning. Because the rules change, but skills compound. You don't need luck to win with money. You need skills. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Because money skills should be basic life skills.